In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document through DocuSign to multiple signers based on our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're managing contracts or getting important documents signed, DocuSign can simplify the process. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the DocuSign website. Once you've arrived at the homepage, take a moment to log into your account if you haven't already. This is your gateway to accessing all the functionalities that DocuSign offers to streamline your workflow. After you've logged in, the next thing you need to do is click on the Agreements section. This button usually appears prominently on your dashboard, directing you to where all your document transactions occur. Here's where you'll find and manage your existing agreements as well as start new ones. Now navigate to the document you wish to send for signing. To do this, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking here will reveal additional actions you can take with your chosen document. Once the menu appears, you'll want to select the Forward option. This allows you to continue prepping your document for those additional signers. Next, you're going to add your recipients. The platform will prompt you with an Add Recipient button, which you should click. Input the email address of your first signer and ensure that their role and permissions are correctly set. This user-friendly interface helps you manage who signs and what they're authorized to do, providing you with security and flexibility. If you have more than one signer, simply click on Add Recipient again to include another person. You can repeat this step as many times as needed, ensuring all relevant parties are added. Remember, DocuSign allows you to have multiple signers on the same document, making it ideal for collaborative agreements. After you've added all the recipients, it's time to move on by hitting the Next button. This takes you to the setup phase of your envelope where you can customize the document fields. Drag and drop any signature, date, or text fields into the document where each signer needs to interact. It's a seamless way to point signers to where their input is required. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, you can send it off for signature. DocuSign will notify each signer, guiding them through the process so you don't have to worry about follow-ups. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to efficiently send documents to multiple signers using DocuSign. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.